Hello everyone, my name is Manvi Singhal and I have secured rank 292 in this year's UPSC CSC examination. This was my first attempt and I took psychology as my optional subject. My association with Understand UPSC can be traced back to the time just after the prelims, wherein I was absolutely scared of even completing the main syllabus in the 3.5 months that I had in my hand. Despite taking foundation course from a very renowned institution in 2021, I was clueless about the level of nature of notes which were required for mains, and I did not know how to execute the content that I had to my mains answers. This was when Satyam sir provided us with a 3.5 months schedule for our mains preparation starting from 21st June. Sir also provided us with a different set of mains 365 sessions which enabled me to enhance the quality of my answers because I could quote cases from the GS2 papers, and it also enhanced the way I wrote my GS4 answers. Apart from this, sir also conducted the flash writing sessions wherein we were given 7 minutes and 11 minutes to write 10 to 15 markers, which enabled me to write in a particular time frame, and these were followed by the discussion sessions which enabled me to improve the quality of my answers. Along with this, sir has also created a community on Telegram wherein we can interact with the fellow aspirants, and therefore the answers that they uploaded on the channel were also helpful to me to enhancing the answers that I wrote in my mains. While it is important for you to have the knowledge, the execution is the most important, and that was something which was taught to me, especially in the ethics paper by sir, by taking different set of questions and different topper copies that sir discussed on the channel. Along with this, just after the mains, I remember that sir started us telling about the relevance of DAF, and therefore I started preparing my DAF thoroughly. In the interview also, there were questions that came around my DAF, and therefore I was able to score 195 in the interview. Along with this, I would also like to mention that sir used to take regular newspaper sessions, and he also uploaded highlighted newspapers, which enabled me to give less time to newspapers and therefore revise my content even during the interview stage very thoroughly. I think that Satyam sir has created a platform wherein we are able to not only interact and enhance our mains preparation, but it also enables us to get good guidance and know the execution part, which is more important in this examination, and it is definitely not just the content which will give you good marks. Satyam sir is one of the most reliable persons in the entire UPSC journey preparation, and I think that all of us should support the Understand UPSC and ensure that we are able to give all our support to this channel, because it is one of the most unique initiatives that I have come across, and I was lucky that I came across this initiative in my very first attempt. So thank you so much, sir, for everything.